Now coming to one more important concept which is called as degree of vertices in a graph. We have seen the concept of degree of a node in a tree. Degree means the number of children that are present for a particular node in a tree is treated as a degree. For example, if a node consists of 2 children, then the degree of that node is 2. If the node consists of 3 children, then the degree is considered to be 3. Like that, we have the degree of nodes in a tree. Similarly, we have one more concept called as degree of vertices in a graph. Here also the same concept is there. The degree of a vertex in the number is the number of edges that are incident to that vertex, right? So for the directed graphs, we have a concept of in degree and out degree. But if it is an undirected graph, listen carefully, if it is an undirected graph, we say as node degree only or vertex degree. But if it is a directed graph, very important point, but if it is a directed graph, we have node degree, but it is divided into 2 categories, that is in degree and out degree. Right? We'll see what this in degree and out degree is. So the number of edges that are incident to that vertex is called as the degree of a vertex. And coming to the directed graph, what is in degree? For example, I have a directed graph like this. A directed graph like this, right? So I have an edge from A to B, A to C, and I have an edge from C to B. Now what is the in degree of A? In degree means the number of vertices or the number of edges that end with A. That means this particular arrow mark should be at A. So we don't have any vertices that are towards A. Therefore the in degree is 0. But if you consider the out degree means the number of edges that are going out. You can remember like this, that are going out. So how many edges are going out from A? 1 from A to B and 1 in the case of A to C. Therefore it is AB is 1 and second one is AC. Therefore out degree of this A is 2. Therefore you can remember that in degree is the number of vertices that are coming in, and out degree is the number of vertices that are going out, right? So what is the in degree? I will represent it with I. In degree of A is 0, out degree of A is 2 in this example, right? Similarly, in degree of B is, if you observe this B, we have 2 vertices coming inside. That means arrow is present towards the B. Therefore the in degree is 2, and there are no vertices or there are no edges that are going out from B. Therefore the out degree of B is 0. Similarly, if you consider the in degree of C, you can observe that there is only one edge that is coming into the C. Therefore in degree of C is 1, and out degree of C, there is one vertex going from C to B, that is 1, right? Therefore this is the concept of in degree and out degree, and in degree and out degree will be only in the case of directed graph, but there is no concept of in degree and out degree. Why? Because the edges are not directed. Whenever we have a direction, then only we have in degree and out degree. But if you don't have direction, there is no concept. We will simply call it with only one term, that is nothing but the degree of the vertex, right? So here is the formula for degree of the vertex, that is E is equal to, if di is the degree of the vertex I in the graph G, then n vertices and n edges, the number of edges. So here if you are given the degree of the vertices, the number of vertices in the directed graph is given by the formula. This is very important. Please make a note of this. So if the degrees of all the vertices is given and you are asked to find the number of edges, that is given by E is equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3 and so on up to Dn by 2. That is degree of first vertex, degree of second vertex, degree of third vertex and so on up to degree of n minus 1 vertices, and the sum is to be divided by 2, right? Very important formula. And here we can take an example on this, that is degree of undirected and directed graph. That is, here if you see this 0, this is an undirected graph, therefore no concept of in degree and out degree. There is only one concept which is called as node degree. How many edges are there? Right? So 0. How many edges are there? This 1, 2 and this is 3. Therefore the degree is 3. Similarly, you go for this vertex 1. How many edges are there? 1, 2 and 3. Therefore 3. Similarly, you go to 2. We have 3 edges, 1, 2 and 3. And the final one, vertex 3, it is also having 3 edges that connect to 0, 1 and 2. Therefore, it is also having a degree of 3. Now coming to G2, which is an example of graph as well as tree also. This is a graph plus tree. Why? Because there are no cycles. There are no cycles in the given graph. Therefore, it is a tree. If you go to this 0, it has 2 edges. Therefore, the node degree is 2. And here we have, this is very important. The node of a tree is calculated. Important point. The degree of node in tree is nothing but number of children. Very important difference. And but the degree of node in graph is equal to the number of edges. Here you can see that at 1 we have 2 children, that is this one and another edge is there, this one. Therefore, the degree is 3. Similarly, if you consider this 3, we have only one vertex 1. Therefore, for 4 it is 1, 5 it is 1 and 6 it is 1 and 2 we have the edge or the degree as 3, right? And coming to this directed graph, since it is a directed graph, there is no concept of node degree. You have to divide the concept of node degree into in degree and out degree. So if you go for this 0, number of incoming edges are only 1. This is the incoming edge, right? So it is 1 and the out degree means number of outgoing edges. This one and this is 1, right? Now coming to 1, number of incoming edges is only 1. Therefore, in degree is 1. And the number of outgoing vertices are this one and this one. Therefore, the out degree is 2. Coming to 2, it has an in degree where one edge is coming to 2. This is 1 and the out degree. No edges are going out of this 2. Therefore, it is 0.